How's it, guys? Welcome back to another video of Yodel Raven. Today's video is just going to be a short one. It's going to be about installing these Club 3020 JBL tweeter speakers that is located right behind you guys, right here under there. So yeah, to install these speakers, you're going to need this rav4 wiring harness that connects to the JBL speakers to the OEM harness. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver to pry off the cover that covers up the speaker, and then a 10mm socket or 10mm wrench, whatever you have. For these products, the speaker and the rav4 wiring harness, I'll have it linked down in the description below. And yeah, let's get this installation process started. Alright, so first step, I'm gonna grab my mini flathead screwdriver, come right here in between in the middle, and then just pry it out. Just like that. Boom, easy. Now, as you can see, two 10mm. Oh man, freaking light turned off. Sorry, I have an automatic garage light. Now, as you can see, two 10mm bolts right there. Take those off, and then the stock tweeter should come right out. Alright, so it looks like the wiring harness is stopping me from pulling it out anymore, so I'm gonna have to sneak my hand in there, and there's probably a clip I need to hold down. Oh, there you go. So I don't know if you can see it. Damn, sorry. So this right here, you hold that down, and then you kind of just move it back and forth and wiggle it out. This is the stock tweeter, and that is the JBL. Definitely a difference in weight. JBL has a big magnet in the back. Yep. Alright, so when connecting the harness to the JBL speaker, this part right here, see with this black piece, I don't know what to call this thing. I'm not really, you know, smart in speakers and all that, but this part right here that connects to this is the positive, and then this side is the negative. And then for the harness, the red wire is the positive and the clear wire is the negative. So I'm just gonna go ahead and connect those two. Got my red, black piece right there. Let me do it like that. Boom, just like that. Clear wire to the negative, just like that. And I'm gonna show you guys how to connect it to there. For connecting it to the stock wiring harness, there's only really one way to put it in. So if it doesn't flip the other way, just flip it and it should go in. Oh, that way doesn't work. Flip it. Boom. Just like that. Alright, I'm not gonna put the speaker back in yet. I'm gonna see if it works, and then I'm gonna put the speaker cover back in and bolt everything down. Alright, so this speaker is working. As you can see, it's, oh, hi baby. Yeah, so this speaker is working, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same process to that side, and then I'm gonna show you guys a before and after. Alright, so this is gonna be the before. I'm gonna set the volume, let's set it at 35. I'm gonna leave all the, you know, sound settings the same, and we're gonna go ahead and start. I'm setting you guys in the middle so you can hear both left and right speakers. This is stock. Yeah, I don't know about you guys, but to me, there's a major difference in it. Super satisfied with these new speakers. I love listening to music, so I definitely wanted to get this tweeter upgrade for sure. I want to say the kind of annoying / hardest part of this installation is trying to take out the harness from the stock speakers. I'm lucky I have somewhat smallish hands. If you have big hands, this might be kind of an annoying process for you, but just keep on wiggling it out and it should eventually come out. For the speakers and the harness, I'll leave it down in the description, and that's pretty much about it. Oh, let me show you guys right here. Show you guys something real quick. Pretty sick. As you can see, 205 subscribers on my channel. I know that's not a lot, but I think it's a lot for me. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Thanks for subscribing. If you guys are interested in this type of content, I do everything to my rav4, from installation videos to taking it to the trails to going camping, which I will be going camping soon. I'll be going on a road trip with my girlfriend Sarah. So yeah, please consider subscribing if you want. If you like this video, if you enjoyed it, if it helped, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Shoots, have a good one.